Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn basics command to manage hdfs. Learning these basics command will help you a lot when you start playing with Hadoop. I am assuming you have a working Hadoop environment on your machine. If you haven't installed yet, I would suggest go back and install Hadoop, then attend this lecture. So to create a directory in hdfs, you can create it using hadoop fs minus mkdir and the directory path. So in the example, I'm creating two directories, directory 1 and directory 2 within user directory. To list files within a directory, you can fire the command hadoop fs minus ls and the directory location. If you want to see how many blocks are available within a particular file in hdfs, so you can check that using fsck command. So fsck generates a summary report that lists the overall health of a file system. hdfs is considered healthy if and only if all files have a minimum number of replicas available. To copy files from one location to another location in hdfs, you can use -cp command as shown in the example here. And if you want to upload some files from your local directory to hdfs, you can use -put command. To download files from hdfs, you can use -get command. See the example here. To know the file size from hdfs, you can use -du command. And if you want to remove some files from hdfs, you can use -rm command. And to get help, you can type -help command on the terminal. Now let's see these commands in action. I have logged in into Hortonworks Sandbox and I am at the home directory at Sandbox. Now let's create a directory in hdfs. So from terminal, I'll type hadoop fs minus mkdir /user /dir1. So this will create a directory 1 within user directory. And if you want to see this directory, you can fire the command hadoop fs minus ls /user. So it will list all the directories within user directory. You can see here directory 1 we just created, right? Now let's put some file into this directory from our local directory. Okay, so in our local directory, I'll create a dummy file touch test file 11.txt. Okay, so I'll put this file into hdfs. Hadoop fs minus put /root /test file 11 /user /dir1. So this command will upload the file from our local directory to hdfs. You can see the file from directory 1. Hadoop fs minus ls /user /dir1. Okay, so now this file has been uploaded to hdfs, right? Now let's create another directory in hdfs where we will see how we can copy a file from one location to another in hdfs. So I'll create another directory hadoop fs minus mkdir /user /dir2. Okay, so this will create another directory within user directory. You can see it here, hadoop fs minus ls /user. Okay, so the new directory has been created. So what I'll do, the file which we have uploaded to directory 1 will copy the file from directory 1 to directory 2. So what I'll do, I'll type hadoop fs minus cp slash user slash dir1, okay, slash test file 11.txt slash user slash dir2. So this command will copy the file which is sitting in directory 1 to directory 2. So we can see the file from directory 2. Hadoop fs minus ls slash user slash dir2. So now you can see the file has been copied to directory 2. Okay. We learnt about fsck command, which gives the summary of file system health in HDFS. Let's check that command. So I'll type hadoop fsck slash user slash sample data slash salary.csv. So the report says whether a file is healthy in HDFS or not. So you can see the status here. The file is healthy. If there are any missing blocks, you can see in the report. You can also see details about replication factor, data nodes, corrupt blocks, etc. etc. And let's see, if you want to see what is the size of a file in HDFS, so what you can do, you can type hadoop fs minus du and I'll copy this. The size is in bytes, you can see here. And let's see, if you want to remove some files from a certain directory in HDFS, you can type hadoop fs minus rm slash user slash dir2 star. So it will delete all files within directory 2. And let's say if you want to download some files from HDFS to your local directory, you can type hadoop fs minus get slash user slash sample data. Let me copy this one. Okay, to our root directory. Okay, so this command, oh, I guess this file exists, so let me remove that. rm So what I'm doing here, I'm downloading the salary.csv file to our local directory. So you can see here now, right? That's all for this lecture. I hope you enjoyed learning HDFS commands, and I would recommend go and try on your machine. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.